If you're looking for the best mini circular saw, you already know how confusing it gets. Every brand promises clean cuts and plenty of power, but not all of them deliver. I bought and tested 5 popular models to see how they actually perform in real projects, so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong one. Here's what I found.
Product number 1. Skil 15 amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw with single beam laser guide, 528001. The first thing I noticed when I picked up the Skil 528001 was how solid it felt. It isn't the lightest saw here, but the weight gives it a sturdy, confident feel while cutting. Once I powered it on, the 15 amp motor had more than enough strength for framing lumber, plywood, and thicker boards. The laser guide actually helped me stay on my cut line, especially during long rip cuts where it's easy to drift. I also liked the dust blower because it kept sawdust away from the blade, making it much easier to see where I was cutting. Changing blades was quick thanks to the spindle lock, and the 51-degree bevel adjustment gave me plenty of flexibility for angled cuts. The safety trigger added peace of mind without getting in the way. If you need serious cutting power for home renovation or workshop projects, this one is a great choice. But if portability matters more, you'll probably like the next saw even better.
Product number 2. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw, DCS571B. I held the DeWalt Atomic. The compact size immediately stood out. It felt balanced, comfortable, and much easier to maneuver than a full-size circular saw. During my testing, it handled plywood, OSB, and standard 2x lumber surprisingly well for such a small cordless tool. The brushless motor delivered consistent power, and I appreciated not having to drag an extension cord around the workspace. The removable auxiliary handle gave me better control on longer cuts, while the electronic blade brake stopped the blade almost instantly after releasing the trigger. That feature made the whole experience feel safer and faster. I also liked the built-in blade wrench storage because I didn't have to search for tools every time I wanted to swap blades. If you're already using DeWalt's 20V battery system or need something compact for remodeling jobs, this is an easy recommendation. That said, if you're looking for a lower-cost corded option, the next model deserves a close look.
Product number 3. Skil 5080-01 13 amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw. The Skil 5080-01 surprised me the moment I picked it up because it felt noticeably lighter than many full-size circular saws. After using it for several cuts, I could definitely feel the difference in reduced arm fatigue. The 13 amp motor delivered smooth, reliable performance through plywood and dimensional lumber without struggling. I also appreciated the improved dust blower since it kept my cutting line visible throughout each pass. Blade changes were quick thanks to the spindle lock, and the 51-degree bevel adjustment gave me enough flexibility for common angle cuts. It doesn't include fancy extras, but everything it offers works well. That's something I always appreciate in a tool I plan to use regularly. If you're a homeowner or DIYer looking for dependable performance without spending a premium price, this saw makes a lot of sense. While it's an excellent full-size option, the next product goes in a completely different direction with a much smaller design.
Product number 4. HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw. The HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw immediately felt different because it's so compact. I could comfortably hold it with one hand for lighter jobs, and the rubber grip stayed comfortable even after several minutes of cutting. During testing, the 4-amp copper motor handled wood, PVC, plastic, and thin sheet materials without any major issues. I really liked having 3 different blades included because I didn't have to buy extras before getting started. The depth adjustment was simple to set, and the guide ruler helped me keep my cuts straight. Connecting a vacuum to the dust port also made cleanup much easier, especially when working indoors. The double safety switch required a little practice, but I appreciated the added protection once I got used to it. If you're a DIY beginner or need a compact saw for smaller household projects, this one offers a lot for the price. There's still one more model that impressed me with a couple of extra features. Product number 5. Galax Pro 4-amp Circular Saw with Laser Guide. When I first picked up the Galax Pro, it felt surprisingly comfortable and well-balanced for a compact saw. The built-in laser guide caught my attention right away, and during testing, it helped me make straighter cuts with less effort. The 4-amp motor isn't designed for heavy framing work, but it handled laminate, MDF, PVC, wood, and plastic without any trouble. I also liked the adjustable cutting depth because it made switching between different materials quick and simple. The included rip guide gave me more confidence on longer cuts, while the vacuum adapter kept most of the dust under control. Those little details made the overall experience cleaner and more enjoyable.
If you want a compact saw with useful cutting guides and good value, this one is definitely worth considering. It may not replace a heavy-duty circular saw, but it's a very practical addition to almost any workshop.
Those are my picks for the best mini circular saws available right now. Each one has its own strengths depending on your budget and the type of projects you tackle most often. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. If this review helped you choose the right saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hands-on tool reviews.